Living happily involves a combination of mindset, habits, and intentional choices. Here are some tips to help you live a happier life. 1. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life. Keep a gratitude journal to write down things you're thankful for each day. 2. Reframe negative thoughts. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive, empowering beliefs. 3. Take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat a balanced diet. 4. Pursue your passions. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. 5. Nurture relationships. Surround yourself with supportive, loving people who uplift and encourage you. 6. Practice mindfulness. Live in the present moment, without judgment. Focus on the beauty and wonder around you. 7. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy and say yes to things that nourish your mind, body, and soul. 8. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and patience. 9. Embrace imperfection. Nobody is perfect. Embrace your quirks and those of others. 10. Focus on the present. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Live in the present moment. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to living a happier, more fulfilling life.